Hello friends, today we will see some examples on parallax method. So first example is the moon is observed from two diametrically opposite points A and B on earth. It is such that the moon is observed from two diametrically opposite points, that is two points such that they are diametrically opposite. It should be over here, right? So here they are diametrically opposite. Now the angle theta subtended at the moon by the two directions of observation is 1 degree 54 minute. So from this position and from this position the angle subtended is 1 degree 45 minute. This is your theta. Let us name it as A point and B point. Given the diameter of Earth to be about 1.276 into 10 to the power 7 meter. So diameter of Earth is given to us, that is 1.276 into 10 to the power 7 meter. Now we need to compute the distance of the moon d from the earth. So if it is considered as small d, we need to find out big D. So as we have seen in our previous sessions, here we will be finding out using the formula theta is equals to arc upon radius. If it is a part of a very big circle, then this d would be the radius. Theta is equals to arc length diameter of an earth upon radius, that is d, that we had already seen in the theory of parallax method. But before going for putting values, we need to convert each and everything in SI unit. So yes, it is okay for this distance as it is in meter, it is already converted into SI unit, but we are bit confused about this. Our angle is not in SI unit. So we need to first convert these theta into SI unit, then directly we can find out a distance that will be equals to d by theta. So let us take theta, that is given as 1 degree 54 minute. So for 1 degree and 54 minute, I need to convert these quantity into degree. So 1 degree is already in degree, but 54 minute, for 54 minute, I know for 1 degree I have 60 minute, then for 54 minute what would be the degrees? Then 54 into 1 by 60, by cross multiplying you can get 54 by 60, that will give you 0.9 degree. Now adding this 0.9 degrees into 1 degree, that will give me theta, that is equals to 1 plus 0.9 degree, that is 1 degree plus 0.9 degree, and that will give you 1.9 degree. Now I need to convert this degree into radian. I know that for radian is equals to pi by 180 into degrees. So for my radian I'll be pi by 180 into 1.9. So that will give me 3.14 over 180 into 1.9, and that will be equals to 3.3 1 into 10 to the power minus 2. So this is my required theta. Now putting these values in our equation, capital D is equals to diameter of earth over theta. So we'll be getting diameter of earth, that is given to us, 1.276 into 10 raised to 7 meter over theta, that is 3.31 into 10 to the power minus 2, and that will give me exactly 3.84 into 10 to the power 8 meter. So this is what a distance between earth and moon. We can find out this using parallax method. It's very easy. Now let us see this second example. The sun's angular diameter is measured to be 1920 second, and the distance d of sun from earth is also given to us. Notice diameter of sun. According to our question, from earth, from one point on earth, we are observing two diametrically opposite points on sun, such that these angle alpha is given to us, that is 1920 second. So alpha is given to us, that is 1920 second. Capital D is also given to us, that is 1.496 into 10 to the power 11 meter. We need to find out these D, and we'll be using same parallax method, same formula, but here this angular diameter is given as alpha. Previously we were taking as theta, that is equals to arc over radius, that is d over d. We are having alpha, we are having capital D. We need to find out small d, and that would be equal to alpha into capital D. This formula we will be using. But as previously I have told you, we need to convert everything into SI unit, and here angle is not in SI unit, so we need to first convert it into SI unit. That is 1 second is equivalent to 4.85 into 10 to the power minus 6 radian. Converting our angle into radian, so that would be equal to 1920 second multiplied by 4.85 into 10 to the power minus 6, and that would be equals to 9.312 into 10 to the power minus 3. We have got alpha in terms of radian, and we already have this distance, so by just multiplying d with alpha, I'll be getting small d, so that is equals to 9.312 into 10 to the power minus 3, that is my alpha, multiplied by this d, that is 1.496 multiplied by 10 to the power 11, and that will turn out to be 1.39 into 10 to the power 9 meter, and this would be your diameter of sun. Hope you have got both the questions. Thank you.